Guys, so today we are making chapati. So we're gonna use 2 cups of flour. So here is the second cup. Sugar, 1, 2, a quarter tablespoon of salt, and we're gonna mix it up. Put 3/4 hot water, yeah, like that. That's 3/4, yeah, and then top it up with cold water like that and pour it in. Then start. This is the reason why your chapatis will be soft, the hot water. Mind it was 3/4, so it's not like lukewarm, it's like hot, and it helps with the incorporation. So this is the point where we add our cooking oil, like 2 tablespoons, and then you continue kneading. You don't want to dry out your dough with a lot of flour. Our dough is ready, and we're gonna cut this dough into 2. Flour, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on our surface and then roll it out. Your oil.